everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make your very own glow serum. In case you are new around here, my name is Marissa. I am a pharmacist and health coach, and I make lots and lots of videos all about health and wellness, so healthy recipes, grocery shopping tips, building healthy habits, and natural living with essential oils. So if you are interested in following along, then definitely click that subscribe button and join my community. Now, before I really made skincare a focus in my wellness routine, I had struggled with blemishes along the sides of my face, and I noticed over time that some dark spots were starting to develop. And then after I started using a glow serum, which I was using just because I was trying to incorporate a healthy skincare routine into my wellness routine, and I started to notice that like my skin felt better. It was like soothing on my skin. I had more even skin tone, and it was really nice. I used to have to like lather on concealer on the sides of my face because I was trying to hide the dark spots, but I really don't have to do that very much anymore, or if at all. They're really like not noticeable. I also don't wear foundation, and I am so pleased. So I'm excited to share this glow serum with you guys, and excited for you to start making it as well. So ultimately, my skin is much healthier. It looks healthier. It feels better. It just feels healthy. It's glowing. It does not feel greasy. And I literally will not go a day without this stuff. So I'm going to show you guys how I like to make my glow serum. It is quick, it's easy, it's also very affordable. I priced it out, and I'm gonna share those numbers with you at the end of the video. Okay, so here's what you're going to need. You're going to need a 1 ounce glass bottle and dropper. You're also going to need a carrier oil. I like to use rosehip oil, but jojoba oil is another great choice. And I buy these off of Amazon, and I have them linked in the description box. And then I also like to use 2 essential oils. I have frankincense and blue tansy. I get these from Young Living, and I have them linked below as well. Now, there are many essential oils that are great at supporting healthy looking, glowing skin. Frankincense and blue tansy just happen to be 2 of my personal favorites, but there are a lot of different variations on glow serums, and so it is really customizable to what you like and also to what you have on hand. Frankincense is an essential oil that has been around for a very long time. Its use is listed in the Bible, and it's one of the gifts that was given to Christ at his birth, which is really cool. And when you use this topically, it can help promote the appearance of healthy looking skin, and it can also help reduce the appearance of uneven skin tones. This essential oil is actually nicknamed the Fountain of Youth oil because it really can just help you get like that beautiful inner glow from within look. Actually, before I started to make my glow serum, and I was kind of using just like a facial lotion, because I actually use my glow serum in place of a moisturizer most days. And so before I even made that and I was using like a facial moisturizer or lotion, what I would do is actually just put like 1 to 2 drops of frankincense in the palm of my hand with the facial lotion, mix it together, and then apply it on my skin. And this was like the first kind of like skincare like thing that I added into my wellness routine, and it made a huge, huge difference. Frankincense is a very, very special essential oil. And blue tansy essential oil is one that you may have seen or even heard of before. It's actually used in a lot of high-end beauty products, but this right here is the real deal. This is pure blue tansy oil, and it offers skin cleansing, soothing, and moisturizing properties. It also helps to reduce the appearance of blemishes, so hallelujah on that one. And it has the most beautiful deep blue color. And if you guys can see here, the cap of the blue tansy bottle is kind of dyed blue. And that's just because the oil is such a deep, vibrant blue color. And you can really see the difference of them between the 2 different essential oils here. And when you put this into the glow serum, it creates this gorgeous, deep blue color. And fun fact, it gets this color from its naturally occurring constituent called chemazoline. And a quick note here is that you want to make sure that you are using high quality essential oils, especially because we are applying them topically onto the skin. Unfortunately, they are not regulated, and so it is really important to buy them from a company that is really putting forth the time and the money and the resources to ensure that each essential oil is genuine and that it has the ability to support our body. And that is why I like to get my essential oils from Young Living. They have a seed to seal process, which means that they have their hand in every step of the process of creating an essential oil. From the moment that the seed is planted in the soil to when the plant is harvested, the oil is distilled and then bottled and sent to you and me. They put forth lots of testing to ensure that each oil is genuine, and they also have their oils third-party tested as well. It's very important. And what's really cool is that they also own their own farms, or they have partner farms, and you can actually go and visit them, and you can see this all firsthand. You can talk to the farmers, talk to everybody, and that's really cool. No other company for essential oils offers that. So if you guys want more information on this, then you can actually check out the links in the description box. One is to a blog post on my website, and the other is straight to the Young Living website. And then with the carrier oil, I just wanted to mention why I like to use rosehip oil for my glow serum. So it is naturally rich with antioxidants, fatty acids, and vitamins A and C. It's hydrating for the skin, so it's really good if you have dry skin, which I definitely do, especially in the wintertime. It absorbs really quickly into the skin, so it does not make your skin feel greasy. My skin does not feel greasy at all. Instead, it just feels hydrated and nice and smooth. Additionally, rosehip oil can help to reduce the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. It can also help to brighten the skin, so it's great for that glow from within look that we're all kind of going for. And interestingly, it also has astringent properties thanks to the vitamin C. And so what that means is that it can actually help to reduce pore size, which is really cool. And additionally, this oil can help to reduce the appearance of scarring. So the rosehip oil offers many benefits to skin health, and even if you don't have the essential oils yet, just go ahead and start with the rosehip oil, and then as you get the essential oils, then you can start adding them into your glow serum. And another quick note on carrier oils is that I would recommend avoiding coconut oil as the carrier oil for your glow serum. And the reason for that is because coconut oil can be comedogenic, which means that it can clog your pores. So we want to avoid using that on our face and potentially the body too, if you are somebody who struggles with acne and blackheads and breakouts and blemishes on your body as well as on your face. Okay, so let's see if I can do this without making a huge mess. I'm usually doing this in my bathroom and not my living room, so fingers crossed that I don't make a huge mess. Okay, so glow serum, and I'm gonna start with the frankincense. I like to do the blue tansy at the end, and you'll see why in just a moment. Okay, so I'm gonna do 10 drops of frankincense. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, if you get like 11 or 12, like that's okay. Or if you get like 8 or 9, that's okay too. It's not like an exact science, so it's really just like what you prefer. So around 10 is like a good general rule of thumb there. And then I go ahead in with the blue tansy, which, here we go. See, look at that deep, gorgeous blue color in there. And then I go ahead and add in 5 drops of this. Okay. And now I just top it off with the carrier oil. You can use the dropper that comes with this, but I usually just pour it, so it's all on the wrist. Okay, perfect. Leave a little room at the top so you can put the dropper back in. I made that mistake once. Ooh, okay. And then it's kind of hard to see just because I had some glow serum in there from before, but as you can see at the bottom here, that is what the rosehip oil's color looks like. The frankincense has a pretty much clear color as well, but the blue tansy has this gorgeous color. And when I go ahead and just like gently shake it, just to get everything like well combined in there, you get, again, like the most gorgeous, deep blue color. It almost looks black. Like it's such a vibrant, deep color. I've seen a lot of other like glow serums on the market that have blue tansy in it, and they are not this color at all. And all I ever use is 5 drops of it, so it's not like I'm even putting that much in there. And there you go. That is the glow serum. That's it. Super simple, like I said earlier. This literally took me like a minute or 2 to make this. Probably even take you less time if you're not talking your way through it. But again, very simple, easy, quick to make, and it's also very affordable, especially for a quality, natural, clean skincare product that works. When I tallied it up, each glow serum that you make using these ingredients only costs you around like $11 to $12. Again, super affordable. And when I looked for like a 1 ounce pre-made glow serum to just buy, they were like maybe $30, $50. I even saw one for like $70 or more. So they can be very pricey. And by buying just each ingredient and just having it on hand and I'm making this myself, like I can do this over and over and over again. And I'm saving so much money. And for me personally, I have found that my glow serum works so much better than any other glow serum that I have ever bought. So it's really a win-win. I also have pretty sensitive skin, and this glow serum does not cause me any skin irritation. And in fact, it's actually just the opposite. I find that this feels very soothing and calming on my skin. Okay, so that is how to make a glow serum at home simply and affordably. If you guys want to shop the essential oils, the glass dropper bottle, and the carrier oil that I used in today's video, then you can check out the links in the description box below. It's there, so it's nice and convenient. You guys can find it. But otherwise, that's all I have for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please give it a big thumbs up and comment down below any future video ideas that you would like to see from me. I love getting feedback from you guys. And until next time, remember that the time is now to get well, be well, and stay well. I will see you in the next video. Bye.